I was going through a form filled by a handful of people related to their experience in what they have been doing in terms of professional and business aspect. And when I started talking to them, okay, there is one stark difference that I realized. Have you ever noticed this? Or if you're one person, you might have realized this. I'm not sure. Majority of the people who have transferred or rather changed their path from corporate to business life, okay, became an entrepreneur, they are the ones who actually invest into learning about entrepreneurship, into doing about how to do business and how to be in the top of the game. But the people who are like coming from the traditional business line, like generation after generation, their families are into business and they are good in it, what they do, but they seize or rather never learn typically the different kinds of businesses, especially with the changing of times. And now they feel stuck due to the digitization and all other stuffs. Why is that so? Is it because they feel that they are entrepreneurs, so they know everything and they don't want to invest in their learning aspect, into their self development aspect? Is that the reason, or is it what? Because when you see the kind of ratio, the number, you will see a stark difference in the number of people who are wanting to learn about entrepreneurship, who are actually investing in their self development journey. What are your thoughts about it?